Welcome to Excel London, where at 9:30 tomorrow morning, we'll be opening the doors to the Meeting Show 2024 in halls S2 and S3. As you can see, we're busy putting the final touches together, so I wanted to give you just a sneak peek at some of what you can look forward to. First up, you're going to be able to meet face-to-face with over 650 hotels, destinations, venues and tech providers from both the UK and around the world. We've got the likes of Manchester, unique venues of London, Meaton Island, Belgium, Penang and Abu Dhabi, just to name a few. Secondly, you're going to get invaluable insight and inspiration from the industry's top leaders, who will be delivering never-before-seen sessions at this year's education programme. We've got 110 speakers and 78 sessions taking place across 3 different stages and 5 partner stands, covering everything from AI, inclusivity, experiential design and sustainability. In fact, the programme has already begun, with our Hosted Buyer Insight Forum already underway right now. Thirdly, you're going to be able to build relationships with like-minded meetings, events and incentive professionals. We've got a packed agenda of networking events, including drinks receptions on the Venues of Excellence, Birmingham West Midlands Convention Bureau, Delegate Wranglers and Visit Scotland stand. And finally, we've got the Eventwell Hub, a pre-show running tour of London taking place on the morning of June the 20th. And don't forget, we've co-located with the Business Travel Show and Travel Tech Show. Your pass for the Meeting Show will also get you access to these 2 events. So if you're part of an agency, plan corporate events, work for an association or plan incentive travel, then register for free now and come and join us here at the Meeting Show 2024 over the next 2 days. After all, it's amazing what you can achieve when you take the time.